a widow at this age. Me, a widow at this age. So let's cook beans for your family. So I'm separating stones from the beans, as you can see. So guys, beans and yam. Okay, so we're making beans and yam. And here is my oga at the back. Today I'm really tired. Something happened, guys. Something terrible happened yesterday night. And since then I've been thinking, I feel like shouting. Since yesterday night I've been thinking, I've been crying. I will share the update here. Something terrible happened. But with the grace of God, did not succeed. It didn't succeed. So guys, I'm cooking beans and yam. Something terrible happened yesterday. People should help me and thank God. If not, I don't even know. What will I be doing at this moment? If not God. What will I be doing? What will I say? At this point, what will I be doing? Yeah. I don't know. So guys, let's cut the onion. This life is not easy. Honestly. It's not easy. I'm telling you. After yesterday, after what happened yesterday night, I don't even know what to think. Honestly. Even up to now, I'm still in shock. As I'm talking to you now, I'm still in shock. In shock. After what happened yesterday. was like, God, me. Bless me. Lord, I thank you. At this age, how is that possible? Where will I start? Where will I even start? What will I tell my children? So I finished putting the yarn, wash it. Added my beans. No, I just went to go and teach so. So our food is almost ready. So let's leave it to cook. Let them marry each other. We'll check later. So as you can see, our food is ready and I've already fetched it myself. So porridge.